Hello, welcome back to my channel. Now we will be talking about the repair sketch tools that is right over here, and I have a drawing ready that is a rectangle, but you cannot see if it is there's a problem in it on the drawing or the sketch. So we need to check it out the problem for the repair sketch tool. So press the sketch repair tool. So it says no problem on that he found, but usually just put 0.5 as the gap. So we will press it, so you can see that there is a problem. It's right there. You can see that there's a line that is that is extended to the rectangle, and then there's another one that is three description of problem, that is three problems, and then there's another one that is not joined, and then another one that is not joined also. So let's do the correction. Just move the URL by scrolling it, and then just grab the point and then just put it in. It will now correct the drawing then. And now let's move it down again, and then just make it like extend entities, or don't do that one, just maybe move that one. It's much better. So it's now been taken care of, and then move another entities right there. Just move it, just grab the small point. Now it is been fixed for the whole area of the rectangle. It's now picked. And now this concludes our tutorial for this drawing. So if you like my videos, just subscribe, comments, likes, and smash the button. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.